Pyramid theory of political regulation has been developed by administrators of this channel and explain in a simple way how the power is transferred in a political system. The socio-political system of any nation could be explained as a pyramid. At top of the pyramid or apex we have the head of state. At the bottom you find people of that nation. Just below the apex, separating the people we have the security apparatus. This is a combination of security forces, military, intelligence and other governing bodies. Just as in everything in the universe, power structure in the system has to be in motion, similar to a flowing river as opposed to a stagnant swamp. In fact, to have a healthy and wholesome state, one side of this pyramid has to be in motion in order to keep stability on the other side. In the case of a healthy democracy, the apex is peacefully and smoothly rotated in regular intervals, hence keeping the base of the pyramid, the people, stable. In the case of a totalitarian and oppressive regime, the apex is firm and motionless, relying heavily on security apparatus to stay in power. More oppressive and tyrannical a regime, more fixed and frozen the structure on top. In order to restore integrity of the system and produce a healthy and wholesome state, the balance has to be restored. This takes the form of toppling the ruling apex, thus a revolution. A revolution is simply removal and substitution of the ruling apex. This can take one of the two major forms. Number 1, to draw and absorb the security apparatus to people, which leaves the apex defenseless, vulnerable and exposed, leaving it no option but to collapse. Number 2, to force the security apparatus out of the way in order to topple the apex. Or perhaps a hybrid of the two.